Worth it nga ba maging international student dito sa New Zealand? Matagal ko nang gustong sagutin 'to, kasi alam kong marami sa inyo ang naghihintay ng totoong sagot. By the way, hi, I'm Faith. I studied 1 year online in the Philippines and another 1 full year here in New Zealand, particularly in Palmerston North. Single ako, mag-isang lumipat at pumunta dito sa New Zealand at gusto kong maranasan kung ano ba talaga ang buhay abroad, not just as a student but as a person. So the question is, worth it ba? Short answer, yes, pero depende sa goals mo. For me, worth it siya kasi hindi lang ako nag-aral para sa diploma. Gusto kong malaman, kaya ko bang mabuhay mag-isa abroad? Kaya ko bang maging okay kahit malayo sa family? Kaya ko bang mag-reset ng buhay alone? And New Zealand taught me how to slow down, how to take good care of myself, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Parang naging training ground ko lalo siya sa adulting ko. Hindi siya naging madali, pero naging malinaw sa akin kung sino at kung ano yung gusto ko sa buhay. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Hindi lahat ng tao pare-pareho ng dahilan kung bakit gusto nilang mag-aral abroad. May mga gusto ng career growth, international experience, just like me, mas stable future, mas maraming options sa buhay. Lahat yan valid and whatever reasons you have in mind. Pero magiging worth it ito or specifically ang pag-aaral natin sa abroad kung aligned ang study plan mo sa totoong gusto mo talaga sa buhay. Kasi kung hindi match ang expectations mo sa reality, doon nagsisimula ang stress, pagod at of course disappointment. So bago mo tanungin kung worth it ba mag-aral sa New Zealand, tanungin mo muna yung sarili mo. Ano ba talaga ang goal ko after studying? Okay lang ba sa akin magsimula ulit from the scratch? Kaya ko bang mag-part-time habang nag-aaral? Emotionally ready ba ako kapag malayo na ako sa family ko? Ano ba ang success for me, not just what society or social media says? Ang sagot mo dito ang magde-decide kung magiging fulfilling ang journey mo or not. Maraming realities ang studying abroad na hindi basta pwedeng ipaliwanag online. Hindi dahil sa gine-gatekeep ko siya specifically, kundi dahil kailangan din siyang strategize. Maraming factors to consider like age, finances, timeline, emotional capacity, at long-term plans. Lahat yan may effect sa tamang strategy. And I just don't want to say entirely speaking from my experience, but I just want to let you think of it, and then we all are be doing the good plans that's appropriate for you. If you're really serious of studying here in New Zealand and you wanted to have a clear and personalized planning, I am offering a one-on-one coaching session. And if you want to book a session with me, just email me at hellofaith@gmail.com. For 45 minutes, we'll be talking about what's your real goals, the right study pathway for you, the realistic expectations, and possible directions after studying. At paano mo maiiwasan ang costly mistakes? So to answer your question is, worth it ba mag-aral sa New Zealand? It will depend kung malinaw yung plano mo. And I hope this video helps for you to think about, is it really worth it to study in New Zealand? And if you have any questions, put it in the comment section or book a session with me. And thank you so much. See ya!